All right, y'all, we are here at IKEA looking at plants. First of all, how do you kill a snake plant? Second of all, we're looking at this over here. Look at this nice philodendron. What? These,
some plants look very promising.
yeah. These are pretty cheap. $44.99 for these big ass things.
Yeah, it has quality.
Alright. I got some figs over here too. Birds of paradise. There's fake plants over there. IKEA actually has stepped it up with their plant game, but they never really look too hot.
But they even have lights in here.
Oh yeah. I know. But one thing I will say is their pots are super fire. Always.
No drainage though.
No drainage, but so you just gotta drill it yourself. But look at this. Another philodendron. Oh wow.
It's so cute, but there's no drainage hole. Cute.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's $15.
I don't know what's up with them in philodendrons, but yeah, this is pretty cool. These pothos are in good shape.
$9. Oh, I saw a few people walk out with these. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
But theirs look better than those.
Yeah, they probably got the best one.
Yeah, they got the best one.
And then they have the little succulent section over here. I don't know what's up with this shape.
But it needs water.
Yeah. These pots are kind of cool. It's probably hella cheap, like 99 cents or something.
Stole them?
Oh my god. Or maybe they died and they just took them out.
Leave it there? What?
Yeah, that's true. Well, these are kind of cool. They grow without any light, but clearly they're dying over here. Yes. Yeah, they do have quite a bit of succulents. Yeah, not too bad. We got pillows and stuff.
Oh, we're in the rug section.
Oh yeah.
That's what we had before.
Uh-huh.
It was completely different.
I know. So we're initially here because we need pillows, new pillows, and rugs, a kitchen rug, because ours was originally looking like that, but it's not looking too hot now.
Alright.
Yeah, no. I feel like we should get something more solid
Kind of reminds me of Mama's. Yeah.
for the kitchen, you know?
Maybe something with drip.
Yes. Dang, that one's kind of cool. $400.
Really huge.
Yeah, no.
Oh, look at the shrimp ones.
Huh. Yeah. For the kitchen rug? Yeah, maybe Target.
Target next door.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. This looks like it would be in a cabin.
Yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh. Like Tahoe vibes.
This looks like a new cabin as well.
Called PETA. It's cowhide. Yeah. Looks like it.
I feel like I heard
Or maybe it could be like a, I don't know.
an apple rug for sure.
Yeah. Uh-huh. I don't know if this is old, but we haven't been to IKEA in a minute, and look at this as is section now. Looks kind of cool.
Which one is it? It looks like a dining table chair though.
Mm-hmm. Might want to add this bucket hat. Oh yeah. This is nice.
It's messed up though. Look at the bottom.
Yeah. It's cool though. I love the little wooden accent vibes.
There, look, a round table.
Oh yeah. It's not bad.
Oh, it is. Oh.
I don't know. It's like a little canteen. Yeah, see, I've never seen any of this type of stuff. They even have chargers. Have you guys had any of these snacks? $7 buckets. Alright guys, so we are home. And I don't think we showed you this, but we got a new rug from Crate and Barrel Outlet. 60% off. Super fire. And I feel like with all the colors of the rug, you can easily just throw on any color and it'll look good. So I think this will look pretty good with it. So we're finally doing away with these pillows that we have. We got these from Typo like 4 years ago. Remember the rug at IKEA that we showed you guys?
What we had before.
Uh-huh.
It looks completely different.
I know. This is what ours looks like because we decided to wash it.
No, you can't wash it. I just don't know why it got like that.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, and I don't think it's. I think we even tried to iron it too, right?
You can iron it, but yeah.
And it didn't work.
I tried to like put it in the dryer for a little bit.
So now out with the old, in with the new. That was supposed to be more dramatic. I thought it would like. So now that's the new one. I feel like it fits the vibes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, also, these are pretty cool. And then on the back it says, today we do nothing. And I think this is a nice little detail. You're squashing me. But then, yeah, where's the rip? So there's a bunch of rips. We tried to repair it a few times. I don't think this one has one, but yeah, so it doesn't really have another one. Or this one doesn't really have a rip, but I don't know. I think it's just time to get rid of these guys. And this is from my old brand from like almost 10 years ago now. And we just had them. And this is just a naked pillow. So now we're gonna go ahead and open these guys and then put these covers on. These covers were $3, and I think the pillow itself was like $8. So not bad price overall. Yeah. And then whatchamacallit, with IKEA, the little family thing, you get a whopping 5% off. So in the video I showed you guys during checkout, you got $1.10 off.
It's like half of that.
Yeah, it's not even taxed in California, so. But hey, a little percentage is a little percentage, you feel me? Okay. So now we gotta fluff it up.
So soft.
There's that one. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think it fits the vibes perfectly. Exactly what we're going for. All right, let me put these covers on and I'll show y'all the final product. All right, so this is what it looks like. And we decided to just keep these guys for the time being. You just put it in like that. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let us know. There's the rug.
Yeah.
And there's the couch. I think it looks fire. And yes, actually, yeah, the couch isn't centered, but it's okay. And neither are the paintings. But it's okay. Yeah, we have to do new ones anyway. This was from, wow, almost 2 years ago. But yeah, we definitely have to do new ones anyway. We've been trying to do like a little paint date night, but we've been too lazy. But yeah, I definitely need to center this couch a little bit more, but y'all get the gist. Here comes the buddy. This is what I do every time he comes out of the crate. Puppers. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? How you doing, bud? How's it going? Then we have a visitor. Let's see if he's definitely not gonna do the same thing, but. Baron! Oh, he did do the same thing. Hi, Baron.
Max.
Hi, Baron. Hi,
That's
Max.
a puppy party. A puppy's potty. Oh, look at that, stretchy.
Oh, yeah. All right.